First of all, oil daily time frame. On Friday, before market closing, oil and gold both were up because of war news. If you check news right now, the news are still showing war. If war increase, then oil must explode above 93 level. As long as price is trading below 88 level, you can say war is over. And you should trade a sideways range and focus on these clear horizontal support and resistance. Wait for breakout, then trade on retest. If you see dollar index daily time frame, then since beginning of the month, dollar is sideways. It is not making new high, not going down, just sideways. And last two daily candlestick in dollar and gold is different. Dollar is showing some sign of rejection, but everything depends on breakout of 105 level. Until this level breakout, you cannot say dollar direction has changed. You have seen last NAP that was more than expected, and this week you have again NAP, and last week you saw GDP that's why 4.9%. So compared to all other currency, their country, US economy is showing big strength in economic indicator. That's why it is still up. So as long as those economic indicators are showing strong economy, dollar cannot go down. Until economic growth change, Fed tone will not change. So this month dollar was mostly sideways, and important thing is what dollar will do next month. So all the economic indicator and Fed FOMC meeting finally on Friday NFP will decide where dollar will go next. But this week on Friday you will see clear breakout in dollar either up or down. Euro USD daily time frame price is still showing rejection on key horizontal support level. So dollar is sideways, that's why currency pair are sideways. But you have clear horizontal support and resistance. Wait for clear breakout, then on retest you can start trading. GBP it is showing big rejection near this last low. Every time it goes down, but daily candlestick show some rejection. Since it is in the middle of big support and resistance, big one 184 and 23109. Until these two level breakout or retest, you cannot say trend. It is just sideways range. USD JPY red candlestick on daily time frame, and this 149 is your most important level. Sideways it is not going anywhere, just locked at horizontal level. A big change in Fed monetary policy this week happened, and BOJ gives signal for his monetary policy change. Then big action this week in USD JPY is possible. USD CAD has breakout all the resistance once again. Now it is again testing key horizontal resistance. You can say last resistance. If dollar turns in November month, then USD CAD can go down. But first support will be 36510. For yen pair, if you see GBP JPY, then it is sideways testing key horizontal resistance level. If you see on lower time frame, then it is making double top on this key horizontal resistance. So it is again sideways, trade as sideways range. And same with CAT JPY. It went up on war news, came down retracement. Now it is ready to go down. So first bearish wave correction. If this last low breakout this week, then it will go back to 104.238 level. If that happen, then wait for clear breakout. On retest you can sell and targeting this previous support level. Silver daily time frame. You can see price has breakout key horizontal resistance level. So breakout, retest, two step are done. Now wait for new higher high. So gold is flying, but silver is mostly sideways. And now everyone is angry with silver. So next dynamic resistance, this trend line. After breakout, you can buy retest and ultimately targeting $30 price level and your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Now Bitcoin daily time frame. Price has successfully break out this sideways range, and not just breakout, many daily candlestick closing above range. So this is your most important big support level. If you are investing in Bitcoin again, then invest based on this support level. Short term correction, profit taking possible. If that happen, 31,000 big support level or retest you can buy again. And big short term correction will come after Fed officially announced that their QT monetary policy has stopped. Till then it can stay up. And first and nearest target is 48,555. This is your first target. Before that it will not stop. It's just beginning of bullish trend. Crypto bubble sentiment are back. If Bitcoin is up, all cryptocurrency must go up again. So your target is 48,000, right now trading as 34. So wait for some short term correction and ultimately going to 48,555. For Bitcoin, only important thing is Fed balance sheet. It is increasing or decreasing. When tapering start, Bitcoin collapse start, and before their end of QT, it is going up again. So for long term investor, 30k first big support, 48,000 next big resistance. Before that, sideways correction and upside breakout. And that speculation on Fed QT monetary policy after Kashkari comment is just a speculation until official statement come. Bitcoin can stay up. And next year 2024 you can expect new all-time high in Bitcoin. SP500 daily time frame. After making top at 4600, it is coming down. And if you see price action, then price is making lower low with lower high. Technically it is bearish and upcoming recession. After that strong GDP last week, you cannot say recession. You can delay the timing, but you cannot stop upcoming recession. Plus you have bearish technical setup. And everyone know that Santa Claus really Q4 bullish trend. That possibility has gone, and below 4200 SP500 is bearish and no limit how low it can go. And last and big setup is fifth retracement level of this last year bullish trend. That's mean 49 to 39. This is big support level. You have to wait in upcoming week, especially November month, how price react to this support zone. Then you can say market crash has begun, because this is your recession trade. Stock going down, gold is going up, dollar is also up. And another problem is, more this go down, this will turn into market crash. So watch carefully how price react to this support level. 61% retracement is last support level. Nasdaq, this white trend line is your big dynamic resistance level. Below trend line extremely bearish, and this yellow horizontal support 13720 is your next big support level. Same like SP 500. And this nearest support level also break out. If this week, if it goes up, make counter trend correction. On retest you can sell, but target will be 13720.